Hi all, in this video we are going to commit all the changes that we have made so far, and you can see that I'm working on my master branch that is in my local repository, and also the remote repository. I only have one branch that is master and both are in sync. 51, you can see the reference of initial commit. Okay, and these are all the files that are updated. Okay, and these are the files that we need to push to the remote repository and also in our local repository. But for that, it is always recommended that we create a branch on top of master branch and then push our changes to that branch. Okay, so for that, what we're going to do is, I'm in my Git perspective. Okay, and right click on the local branch that is master and create a branch. So you can see that the source is master, and the branch that I'm going to create, I'll name it as 01, and I'll say http verbs and JPA, Spring Data JPA. So all the changes that were related to http verbs, that is our CRUD operation, and Spring Data JPA will be pushed to this branch. So let's click on finish. Okay, and you can see that all these are pointing to the same reference, you can see. Okay, so and I'm now currently on my new local branch, so I'll just double click and I'll say check out to make sure. Okay, so the check means you are on the current branch. So now what I'm going to do is, I'll take this, I'll select all these changes and add the index and move it to the staged changes. Okay, so now I'll add the commit message. I will add this as again the same http verbs and Spring Data JPA changes. Okay, so now I'll say commit and push. So what it is going to do, it is going to commit to my local repository and also push it to the remote branch. So, and you can see that we don't have a remote branch, but it will create when you do a commit and push. So let's do that, and you can see that the source branch is this, and the remote is going to be this path, and the branch that will be created is this. Okay, so let's click on next and click on finish, and it is successful. So it says post. Let's close this and go to our GitHub repository. And if I refresh, and you can see that it was created. There is one more branch called http verbs and Spring Data JPA. So that is how we we create branch from our master branch in IDE and then push our changes to the remote repository. So we'll continue working on this branch now, and future again, if we have any changes, then we'll create a branch on top of this and then push our changes to the newly created branch. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next session.